Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to install this frontal wig. Firstly, I clean any excess oil, then sprayed a glue spray. I dried the spray glue. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave the comment below. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. I so hope you guys are enjoying the video. I got this wig long time ago, but I decided to install it myself, especially on the camera. I've been wearing it ever since. So if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. I will respond to you. So guys, a lot of this segment is not edited, so I try to show a lot of imperfections, so expect a lot of imperfections when you are doing install. Also make sure that you don't have hair in front before you can place your wig band, because it's gonna ruin your entire installation. After making sure that all the hair are at the back, I went in with my wig band and I waited for a few minutes until I take it out. So here the lace was white, so I went in with my normal everyday foundation, which matches my skin tone. That was a quick and easy installation. I so hope you guys are learning something from it, and I would like to say thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you in the next video.